camping stove. If it is a smaller, go like this. Even as well, if you keep here, this will protect from what is called wind and something. Small vessels, even big vessels, it will rest on this. So this is soup sarpadadama. Now we are preparing the what's called tomato soup. Yes, tomato soup. This is a chapatis are there. Maybe they are already bully stove, bully cylinder. Thoda. You cannot drink. Myself and our brother daughter. Gana bajana, paatalu, dancelu. Anni naaku raavu. Yeah, so we are preparing the upma. Same. రాత్రి ఏం చేసుకున్నాము అదే స్టవ్ మళ్ళీ అన్ని అన్బాక్సింగ్ సేమ్ స్టవ్ యూజింగ్ within this we have a lighter. After full boiling we are